What is happening, everybody? This evening, I have a feeling it's going to be a great evening. We are going down here to Ryan's house. Ryan lives right on the Rocky River. Rocky River has crappie, catfish, bass, has a bunch of good fish in it. Talked to him earlier. He thinks that the fish should be biting today as long as the river's not up, not too muddy. And we're going to go try and catch us some fish. Went and I bought 2 dozen minnows just to see if they're going to hit any minnows or anything like that. And then we had the jigs. Most of the time, about this time of the year, it's March 27th, something like that. He's always telling me, man, the crappie's biting. So, today, we're going to go try to catch some crappie and maybe some catfish. I mean, you never know. We'll catch whatever bites, to tell you the truth. We ain't but just a couple minutes from this house. We've got a little bit of a walk down there. But I really have a feeling that we're going to catch some good fish. As long as the current in the river isn't too strong and the water isn't too muddy. It's 5:30 right now. We've got about 2.5 hours of daylight left. It's 60 degrees, perfect conditions. So let's get here, let's get our rods, let's get to the river, and let's catch some fish. Stand right here. Yeah. I'd have this cleared out to the field, and I would be. There's a few shallow spots in the river. So I take her off. We made it. River don't look bad. No. Don't look bad. We gonna try to catch us some crappie. That is, well, that's the plan, anyways. Water's just a little dingy, but it ain't bad. It ain't bad at all. Let's get down there and try it out. So about all we're doing right now is we got us a minnow. Got some structure right here in the water. We're just trying to catch a fish. Ryan had one bite. That's it. A couple fish are jumping. If this spot don't work, we're gonna go to a calmer spot. Hopefully we'll catch some. We will see. All right, guys. You got a fish on. I'm trying to film this myself. Ryan's over there. It's a catfish. Yeah. Whoa, no, don't get in there. Look at him. Well, I mean, he ain't huge. I need to walk him over here to this one bank. If you'll just grab the camera, I'll get over there and I'll get him. Yes, sir. Slippery down there. Yeah. Oh man, is he long? That rod gonna get across there? I should have brought my net. Oh, he's coming. Yeah. I just don't know how I'm gonna. Let's see here. Well, gotta dig my feet in here. Well, if you want me to put the camera down, I can hold your hand. My foot right there on that, I can get that. You're gonna go for here. Let me have the rod. How about that? That's what I was about to give you. I'm just getting enough. Boys, this would make a great video right here. Nice. Forever Outdoors bloopers. Don't fall in that water, fur baby. Just lip him. He's a baby. Raj. Hey, we got him. You got any pliers? Nope. Oh boy.
didn't come to catch catfish.
No? I got it.
Alright.
Well, it's a start. It's a start. His gill, he ain't even short.
Mm-mm.
Nice little blue cat. Let's go catch some crappie.
Alright.
Ryan?
You want to taste them?
No, he will bite you. See what happened, guys. I was trying to get the camera. The batteries fell out while he was reeling it in, and it just turned out bad. But man, look at that thing. The teeth on them. Okay.
I didn't even know I had him. No clue.
I don't think there's gonna be any crappie out here. All we are hooking right now is GAR. That's the first one we've gotten in. I wish I'd have got it while he was fighting it. I didn't. Sorry guys, you're gonna be mad at me. But I don't know, maybe we'll just sit here and catch GAR all night, I guess.
Hey, you got him.
Yeah, there goes mine.
Shut that hook, son.
It always happens like that. God darn it. How about you? Got a bite, and I bet you it's a GAR.
Oh, it is a GAR.
I'm just gonna let him sit there and eat on it. Whoa! Whoa! GAR.
Yep.
GAR.
He had some little bitty treble hooks. They're doing business.
Guys, I think we're gonna wrap it up. Got my bobber hung in a tree. The fish ain't biting. I caught the catfish. He caught the GAR. That's about it. We had a bunch of other bites on it, and nothing but GAR. But it is what it is. So we're gonna wrap everything up. We're gonna make the hike out of here, and that's it. Hope y'all enjoyed this little video. I know it's not much, but I'm just ready to start fishing, start catching the fish. That way we can start making good videos. But guys, I appreciate it. And until next time, we'll see you. So he's sitting here walking back.
Not even looking.
Like, let's walk the edge of the field. Let's shed hunt. Well,
It's not much, but
no, it's not much.
you know, you don't find it often. So.
Guys, I'm sorry. My camera's all foggy. Forgive me. We're gonna look for some more.